Okay, welcome everybody. Last of my DC superheroes collection. Got Hawkman. He's the only one that's actually complete, I guess you say. Of course, that was on, the fact that his wings are still in place, and I've got his mace there. His gimmick was his wings would flap, and they were slightly adjustable, so you can make them. And I say it seems like his mechanism sort of out of balance, but they do still work. Just like the other ones. Got knees and arms, and his neck seems to be a little more mobile than some of the other ones were. As far as, I guess maybe his head's shaped more, his helmet or whatever is shaped more appropriately for that. He's like I say, his legs are pretty loose. He's getting the yoga going. I forgot. What year was he in? He was 84, it looks like. His copyright there. So I'm pretty sure he was a first run guy. I didn't, I always thought these were really cool figures for the time, so I was surprised they didn't last longer than they did. The, what do you call it? The Hall of Justice they had was sort of weird, bright yellow and blue, and didn't look anything like the one from the cartoons of Super Friends. So I think that might have thrown people off. Probably should used a different background since he's got green legs, but that's too late now. I'm gonna remake this beautiful piece of cinema again. I say pretty good details, pretty good. I say I still don't know much about Hawkman. I know a little bit from when they were going to put him on the Flash a few years back on the TV show. I don't know if they followed through on that or not. I remember he was in a few episodes. I don't know if they ever became like a recurring character or not. I think I fell out of that show pretty quick after they were starting that stuff. But I still liked the show. I thought it was cool, but just sort of, I think my cable provider quit carrying the WB or CW or whatever was on. Tangents there, I guess. But there you go. That's Hawkman. Thanks for watching. Come back next Tuesday. I'll dig something else out of the toy box.